Welcome back. Now it's time to promote and advertise the open house. First thing you can do is get a phone list of the subdivision and make calls to invite people to your open house. Call or email and invite other prospects that you have in your CRM, and don't forget to invite your sphere of influence. Send a mail invitation, send a postcard. You can do that to your database. Just send an email to your database or a text or even make phone calls. But you can also mail to the neighborhood if you want to. If you want to cut down on cost, then canvass or door knock or door drop the surrounding neighborhood and hand out your invitations or use those door hangers that you might be able to get a hold of. If you do get a hold of folks in the neighborhood, start a conversation. You can start with, hey, I'm Jan with XYZ Realty. We just listed the property down the street. I'm going to be holding an open house this weekend. Here are the times. Here's an invitation. Love to have you stop by. I'm serving some light refreshments. By the way, who do you know that might be interested in moving into your neighborhood? Right? You can start a conversation there. One thing can lead to another, and you may find some people who are that are also interested in knowing the value of their home. Honestly, you'll have people show up in the neighborhood. People always show up from the neighborhood. That's one of the other reasons you want to do open houses. You could probably find another listing. All right, that is some just connections and invitations. You can post, promote, and advertise on Facebook and Instagram. We're going to cover in great detail in a future module, online lead generation, and include some lessons on how to do Facebook advertisements, how to do Facebook ads, lead ads, boosting posts, and even how to post in Facebook Marketplace, which, by the way, is a great place to put your listing or your open house for free. You can post it on Facebook to your people that know you, and then, of course, you can spend some money and advertise it, but you can also put it in Facebook Marketplace. Check that out. There is an area for homes for sale in the Marketplace. So Marketplace, of course, is where you can sell things around your house like an online garage sale, but there's definitely a place for rentals and also homes for sale. Post it to your local realtor association, which usually syndicates the open house. Every MLS has a place for you to put the information, and it usually syndicates down to Zillow, Realtor.com, maybe Redfin, other places. You can find that out with your local MLS. But if it's your listing, you can obviously go in and double check to ensure that go into Zillow and Realtor.com, for example, and post the open house. If it's not your listing, you need to coordinate with the listing agent to make sure they do this. Trust me on this. You want to use all the avenues that you can to promote your open house. Last year when I held my own open houses, I had different people show up from all these things I'm talking to you about. Facebook, somebody came because they saw it on Zillow. Someone saw it because of the signs. I mean, you just never know where people are going to come from. Another promotional idea is to do a Facebook Live, right? Prior opening time or even the day prior. You can ultimately just do a Facebook Live, do a video even. If it's not a Facebook Live, just do a video and use that in your advertisement. Those are some things that you can do, from knocking on people's doors and inviting them to some online advertising. And clearly, when we get into the next lesson here, we're going to talk about conducting the open house. I'm going to talk about sign placement, which is, to me, one of the best ways to drive people to your open house. See you in the next lesson.